Hey guys, got a 2018 plate Ford Mondeo here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to make sure the engine or the ignition is turned on. You give it a couple of minutes to load up, and then we're going to use the screen in the center of the dash. Now once that's turned on, from here we're going to press the time, where it says the time, press that in the top center. And from here we can do clock format, 24 hour or 12 hour, and adjust it to AM, PM. You can do auto time zone update, so automatically set it to your time zone. Or if you want to manually adjust it, click on the arrows here. And then once you've done that, click back, and that will automatically save for you.